Hey guys, I hope you're doing great. In today's video, I'm gonna explain to you the meaning of copywriting the easy way. But before, note that copywriting and copyright are not the same. Copyright is the right to copy, and we usually refer to it with a letter C as a symbol, which you can find it on printed materials, music, computer programs, etc. So, what is copywriting exactly and how it can make you money? Copywriting simply is the ability to write compelling copies to persuade others to take actions such as buying a product, signing up for a newsletter, a webinar, or even clicking on a link. Copywriting is not just about writing only. It's more about understanding people, what makes them buy, how they make decisions, and what are the psychological triggers that drive them to prefer a brand over another. So, as you can see, to write a compelling copy, you have to understand the audience first and understand his hidden desires and turn all that into a persuasive copy so the target audience would buy from you instead of the competitors. But you may wonder how you can earn money from just writing. Well, all the ads that pop into your face every time you want to watch a video on YouTube or while you're scrolling through a web page or on your social media, all these ads are copywriting. And the text written in that ad is called copy. And the one who wrote the text of that ad is called copywriter. And he gets, of course, paid for that. And you can too become a copywriter and make a lot of money from just writing. So marketers and business owners are always looking for a copywriter to write their copy, their ads, their landing pages, sales pages for a good amount of money. So, if you are interested in copywriting and how to become one, subscribe to this channel and let your questions about copywriting down below in the comments area, and I'll be happy to answer them all one by one there or in one of my next videos.